kindergartners playing with dominoes, a rare if not unusual sight. And here at the Marie Atkins Basic School in Kingston, children are mastering the game usually reserved for adults. Playing dominoes is part of the curriculum at this school, and as you can see, the students are doing well. The program, which is dubbed Decode or Else, used dominoes to teach mathematics.
You'd have to work things out by yourself. It's about I take. It's about I take, the technique of the I, because the I is the most important part. So continue our program at Look and Listen, be able to come to that conclusion that children they are no longer looking and listening. So we need to start from basic. So we have to go right back to basic, then we're able to move on. But nothing can change a human being unless it's information.
The initiative started by the National Association of Domino has been introduced in over 30 inner-city basic and primary schools. First Vice President of the association, Humbert Davis, says the main objective is to occupy brain space.
Domino have that kind of space because you remember, when you play domino, to be a good domino player, it will be how partner you play so, why you play so partner, when and where. So you have to hold all that information in your head space. So that's why you have to look and listen.
Principal Tamara Sachel Campbell says the program has made students more enthused and willing to learn.
Their artistic skill is being built up, and even in the mathematics, they are learning proper and improper fraction from an early stage. It was a challenge to get them to draw things. Miss, I can't do it, I can't do it. But with Mr. Davis, just tell them to do, they just do it.
Mrs. Sachel Campbell encourages other schools to adopt the program.
If we start from here, believe you me, you won't have any problem.
With a ray of hope, I'm Jeline Pearson.